Hey, let's talk about something most people don't articulate out loud: the difference between watching and feeling what's on your TV. That's exactly where the TCL 85 QM8K series becomes something you don't just see, you experience. This is for the kind of person who doesn't want a TV that just plays content. You want something that transforms your room into a space worth gathering in, where movies feel cinematic, games feel vivid, and even everyday TV feels impressively rich. You're not chasing trend specs. You're chasing presence. Before you settle in, take a moment to check the current price and availability. TVs like this don't stay quietly in stock once people start noticing what they miss every time they power on. There's always a moment before this upgrade where you quietly notice the gap. Maybe bright scenes glow unevenly. Maybe dark scenes crush detail. Maybe reflections steal clarity when the light changes in your room. You tell yourself it's good enough, but deep down you know it's not right, it's just tolerated. The first time you actually watch something on this screen, it doesn't feel like an upgrade. It feels like someone finally turned the lights on. The mini LED contrast doesn't just make images brighter and deeper, it makes them meaningful. Colors stay rich from edge to edge. Highlights feel alive without washing out shadows. Motion feels smooth and intentional, not blurry or hesitant. Imagine watching your favorite show and feeling like you're inside the scene instead of just observing it. Imagine gaming where every motion feels properly defined, responsive, and crisp. Imagine movies where the sound and visuals work together, not as separate pieces, because the image finally has the depth to match the entertainment. Once you live with that kind of difference, smaller or lesser screens start to feel like shallow windows instead of portals. You look at reflections, and they become a distraction instead of a minor annoyance. Every time you consider a lower-tier TV, you remember how complete this experience feels and the idea just fades. If you're tempted to wait, don't assume pricing or availability will stay friendly. Check while it's on your mind, because regret tends to show up right after you miss the perfect configuration. You might worry an 85-inch screen will be too much. But that concern dissolves the moment you see how well this display handles space. It doesn't overwhelm, it unfolds. It fills your vision without fatigue, inviting you in rather than boxing you out. Here's the part most people don't expect: it changes how you use your TV. You stop background watching. You stop scrolling your phone while the show plays. You engage. That shift sticks with you long after the first few nights. Owning something like this makes your living space feel intentional. It doesn't shout premium. It just is premium, quietly, confidently. Images feel deep and dimensional, highlights stay bright without glare, games feel responsive and crisp, movies feel enveloping and real, your room feels like a destination. It's large. Plan your space. Premium visuals deserve proper seating eventually. Comparison screens stop pulling you back. You realize you already know what good feels like because you've lived with it. Choosing feels easier than delaying. If you're ready for a screen that doesn't just show you content, it commands your attention, check the current price and availability of the TCL 85 QM8K series now. Don't let this be the upgrade you keep circling while your current setup quietly underperforms every time you press play.